Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Mine and today I am going to walk you through how to use Canva's brand new AI video generator for 2025 completely free. So with this tool, you can turn plain text into stunning 8-second video clips using the power of artificial intelligence. No editing skills required, no expensive software, just your ideas and Canva. So if you have been wondering how to create short artificial generated videos for social media, YouTube shorts, marketing, or even fun project, stick with me till the end. I will show you everything step by step. So our first section is what is Canva AI video generator actually. So before we jump in, let me quickly explain what this tool is. Like Canva AI, so here you can see Canva AI video generator, also called Magic Media. Here let's select in size over here. So let's go to the social media, let's click to the videos and then choose and size. I could choose this landscape size, and then eventually in here you can see this is the Magic Media here. So you can see it describe what you would like to create over here. So it is designed for quick professional looking videos and perfect for social posts, presentations, intros, or whenever you need short form video content. Like let me give one quick bit that is artificial powered, then you can create text to video tool, then you are allowed to generate realistic 8-second clips, then no need for footage or complicated editing. It is worked right inside Canva, then free version available with limited credits, so you just need to be remembered this one. Now let's get hands on and see how it actually works. So accessing the tool, how you can access this one. First of all, you just need to be create an account on Canva. First thing first, you need a Canva account. How you can create a Canva account? As you can see, this is the interface. I am on my dashboard right now. So if I search Canva over that place in incognito window, here you will actually see the real interface when you are new in Canva. So here you can see design and code with artificial intelligence. It is that much easy. If you understand how it does really works, then you can easily create any video, image, whatever you want, the graphic design all in yours right now. So you just don't need to be hire anyone to design your graphics further. So here you can see we can start Canva free. So it is actually for one person, so you can go with this one. You just need to click over here, get Canva for free. Once you click over here, just click continue or Google, or you can go with continue with email. Here you just need to provide your email, it could be personal or work, whatever. Then they will redirect you to the this interface where you are allowed to select image size, video size, template, your design, Canva artificial, whatever you want, you can go with this one. So now like note that free user only get 5 artificial videos credits per month, while pro or teams accounts offer more. So let me show you how to access it. So here I already mentioned that you just need to be choose your video size as we done. Then you just need to be come over here, and then you will find out this Magic Media. Open Magic Media and select the videos tab. Here you can see we already select the videos tab, and you just need to click on create a video clip. Like if you give an prompt over here, like here you can see that we already get access of this button, it's generate video. So here just need to click over it, and here's we are. This is where the AI magic will happen. Now we are going to talk about the writing effective prompts. So now comes the fun part, telling the AI what to create. This is all done through text prompts. Like here are a few examples of effective prompts I am going to use in these videos. Like let me give one example, that is a scene, SCE and I see scene aerial. You can note it if you feel it is important. View of mountains at sunset, cinematic style, drone footage. And as you can see, this is our prompt. We just describe what we want as a video. So I am going to click over here to the generate video. So just click over here, and here you can see grab your popcorn. A brand new video inspired by your scene is being generated. It should be ready in 1 or 2 minutes. So there is a couple of prompts I already give you in the description. You can check this out. Like, the more specific you are on your video, the better your result will be. You can describe the scene, mood, style, even camera effects also. Like, let me give you an extra tips here. Like, always be clear and concise when you are making these artificial videos. Then mention details like it could be slow motions, it could be cinematic, it could be micro lens, and also aerial view. Then prompt must be in English always. It only generates 8-second clips, so plan your scene accordingly. So now you just need to generate the video. I already did. As you can see, this is our video. It already been come over here. You just need to drag it, drop, and paste it here. Let's paste it here. So once your prompt is ready, simply click the generate video. I already did it. I am going to clear this one, or if you want to note it, just copy it. I will paste it into that place. So like, let's resize the video over here. Then it's done. So now if I run the video, it will work. So when you click on the generate video, it will show the generation process and highlight the loading animation. It usually takes 1 or 2 minutes for Canva to create your AI videos. Just be patient. Don't refresh the page during this time. I already mentioned this one. After it's done, you will see your generated video right here. Let's take a look at ours. So you already see that our video already be generated, and this is our actual video. So let's play it. And here eventually you can see it is perfectly playing. It's really amazing. And if you like the video, you can click using editor to customize in further. So you have this access to edit this one. In the Canva editor, you can add text or captions. Like, you just need to drag and drop your text over here. And if you want to add anything like subscribe our channel, and if you want to text the color, you could do it, as you can see it. And let's change the font here. We are allowed to change it. As you can see it, we already changed. Overall graphics or striker, you can change it. Then you can sync music using beta music. Like here, if I click to this button here, we will get an options. If I click to the apps and search for audio, and let's hit enter, and you will eventually see we have a couple of generate audio. So you can play this one. Let's play it here and paste it here. I think this one will be good. Okay, done. Okay, that's great. I'm going to increase the size over that place, and now eventually you can see. And also I'm going to give an effect over that place so it looks amazing and visible. And I'm going to give an animate over here. Let's see which one will be good. I think this, maybe no. I think this one will be good. I chose this one, and let's play our video. Let's play it. As you can see how amazing we already did edit our video. So you can apply filter or transition also if it is necessary. Then you can combine multiple clips into one video. This is great if you are making content for Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, or TikTok. Even though the AI clip is only 4 seconds, you can combine multiple clips and add intros, outros, and build a full video project with this one. So now when you feel that your video is complete, like once you are happy with your video, simply click to the share button. Once you click over here, in here you will find out this download button. Just select this one and click to the download. Once you click over here, it will be download. Like, let me tell you that pro user get 180p export without watermarks. Free user may have watermarks and lower resolution, but it is still perfect for testing in social media. So that much easy the process was. So let me give you a quick reminder. You get 5 free AI video credits per month. If you run out, you will need to upgrade to Canva Pro or wait until next month. So that's it. That's how easy it is to use the Canva AI video generator in 2025 to create professional AI powered videos with just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.